What I have here is, it looks like, yeah, we've got Rowan and I've got Birch, BR, and neither one of these have been rounded at the edges yet. So this is a really nice stick of Rowan here, one of my favorites. So Anthony, if you'll hold the camera, I got to turn on this big machine here. Plug it in. He's my little assistant here. Okay. All right. Yep. Okay. I don't need a picture either. I don't want him to see how ugly I am. Okay. We'll turn it on.
It is on.
Oh, it's not on yet.
It's on record.
No, the machine.
See.
Okay. What you gotta do is keep turning this thing. Got it on there? And what you're going to do is you have to lift it at certain angles. You know, first of all, I might start out with it almost parallel and then slowly lifting up the stick. You got to press down a little bit.